Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can add multiple background to any kind of a text or any kind of element, HTML element using CSS. So let's get started. So here you can see I have one long text element, paragraph element, and it has a background color of black. Now I want to change this background color, like I want to attach multiple backgrounds to this particular paragraph tag. So firstly I'll show you the HTML. Now I'm using Wheat. If you don't know about Wheat, that is fine. Like it is kind of like a bundler, but if you want, you can use normal HTML CSS as well. You don't really require a bundler for this because there is no JavaScript or TypeScript as such. So here you can see I have inside the public folder. Now I'm using Wheat, that's why I have to add all the images inside the public folder. So I have few images: this moon, this mountain, the stars, as well as the sunrise. So I have different images for which I need to add as a background. Now previously what I used to do is whenever a designer would give me a Figma, I would extract all these things in a single image, but that is a bad approach. Especially when you are trying to do responsiveness or on different screen widths, it would look really bad if you try to extract it out as a single image. So that's why it's better to extract it out as different image. Then if you see inside my index.html, I have just created this article which has an h1 h2 p tag. So just some gibberish text. Change it to whatever you feel like. So this article tag is important, and if you see I have referred my linked my CSS to my HTML over here. If you see the CSS, firstly here for our article I have assigned some color of white. If you want, you can directly assign this over here as well, but just for simplicity's sake I wanted to do it like this. So here you can do something like this. Okay, and if you see the output, it's still the same if I refresh it. So I've just given the color as white and I have given it some padding. Now for the background color, I have only given the black background color. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to give it the stars image as well to the background. So I'll just uncomment this code and I'll save it, and here you can see we are getting stars. Now for stars I am just referencing the image. I haven't done really much apart from that. So yeah, we are just referencing the image which was in the public folder for me. If you are not using any framework or not using Wheat, you don't need to put it inside the public folder. Okay, and here you can see we have not given any repeat value to our stars, so it will repeat horizontally and vertically to occupy the available space. The next one I have taken is URL public sunrise.png, and I am repeating at the X, and it should be at the bottom, and 10 pixel is the width and 100% is the height. Make sure before you assign this width or height you have this slash. So if I just save this, here you can see this is how the output looks like. Next, once that is done, here we uncomment this particular thing as well. So here we are displaying a moon, and it should be no repeat. 90% and 15% means where exactly on the screen it should appear. So here 90%, that means 90% of the width, and 15% means from top I need 15%, so almost at the top right side corner of your screen. And again 100 pixel is the width, 100 pixel is the height. So here you can see this is where our moon appears. Next, if I just last uncomment this particular thing, here you can see this we have this mountain .png. It should be no repeat, it should appear at the bottom, and 100% is the width. So if I scroll down, here you can see the mountain image also appears. So yeah, that's how you can apply multiple backgrounds to an HTML element using CSS. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.